In this video, I'll be going over my March income report for Etsy. So I first got 34 visits for March 1st through March 31st, 2025. I currently have 5 active listings on Etsy. I haven't posted a new listing in quite a while. I just have a lot going on and I've been sick for over a month and I'm trying to get over it. So I apologize about my coughing, but I've been trying to rest more. Um, and anyways, so all the products that I currently have, they are all digital download products. So pretty much whenever somebody buys a product, they automatically can download the product. I don't have to ship or do anything like that, which is really nice. So I don't really monitor my Etsy shop very much. I don't run ads. I am part of like the Etsy offsite ads, I believe. So like Etsy will sometimes run ads for me, kind of. And then I just pay like a little extra in fees if a product does sell because of that. And then so for these 34 visits, it looks like that's 17% more than 2024. And honestly, since this is basically passive income, since I'm not running like my own personal ads, just the Etsy offsite ads that automatically like happen and I don't have to pay unless I sell one. I'm pretty happy with this, especially because I just have not really had a lot of extra time between trying to feel better and everything else going on. And then before I go on over to orders, I do want to mention our sponsor for this video, which is Everbee. Highly recommend checking out Everbee if you have not already for beginners, advanced, anybody. I think Everbee has so many different tools and just things that can benefit so many different people with Etsy. So one of my favorite tools is this Etsy calculator. So you open this up, you put in the price, and then you can fill in all of these options if you'd like to, but then you'll see the actual profit. So all of my 5 current listings are at $2.99, I believe. So this shows like my net profit. You can change it though. You can add advertising, payment method, discounts, like all of that stuff. So you can go through and figure out how much you're actually going to make. And I highly, highly recommend it because I always feel bad if I see a post from somebody like in a group or just anywhere and they say, oh, I finally made my first sale, but I actually lost money because they didn't have their product priced accordingly. So I definitely highly recommend checking that out because you want to be making a profit off of your products. You don't want to be working for free or paying to do the work. So I definitely recommend looking that up. And then you can also search here, or you can also go to like keyword research, product analytics, and then Everbee will show you the monthly searches for that keyword or that phrase or like words that you're searching. And you can click see more and get even more information. So there is literally so much data. It is unbelievable. I'm just going to hit search really quickly and then give that a second to load. Go back here, we'll go to orders, which I got one order. Pretty happy about that. If I get any sort of order, I'm just really happy. All of the money adds up. And then looks like I got the order on March 2nd, and compared to 2024, it looks like I also did an order. So that's pretty cool. Conversion rate 2.9%. Definitely different than 2024, but that's okay. Have this load here. We'll go to product analytics. Oh, also, I guess I didn't even have to go to this. Let's go back. Right here on the bottom of the listings, you can see the data from Everbee. So monthly sales, views, listing page. You can get more information by going into the analytics and clicking on each product, but this is just one of the many different tools that Everbee has to offer. So I'll have a link in the description below. I highly recommend checking them out. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. And then for revenue, $2.99. Of course, it's not profit. I probably profited somewhere around $2. I don't really have any expenses. I do pay for Canva, but I use Canva for a lot of programs. So, yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with that. No complaints as far as Etsy. And I'd love to know how Etsy is going for you. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to let me know. I greatly appreciate everyone being so patient with me. I'm so sorry I've been so, like, I don't even know what the word is, off or just not as active. I am really trying, but I just cannot seem to get over this cold, and it is really taking a lot out of me. So I am so sorry for that. But I greatly appreciate everybody being so patient and understanding. And thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.